Bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about uNaledi Aphiwe. So we guys nothando. So uthando it's Thando. We know that uthando has trended, guys. He has trended. Ayikho ingane ke yatrenda njengothando. Uthando has trended and we don't know age account, but the allegations that she is 18 this year, because the first time we knew of her she was 16. I think it was 2 years back, but she doesn't want to talk about age and she doesn't want to reveal age now because she feels as if a lot of people attack due to a boyfriend which is Upanda. We know that he is 24, of which it's wrong, guys. It's totally wrong. I really don't understand ukuthi abazali bathando bathini, but then uthi abazali bakhe abana problem. So uthando once on TikTok for live ubekabuza ukuthi Naledi Aphiwe umuntu onjani. She wants to be a friend yakanaledi Aphiwe, and a lot of people, guys, I saw a lot of people, they were saying no, uzocorrupt Naledi Aphiwe has umetric and she is focusing on career, which is something good, and I do not believe Naledi Aphiwe is a good decision ukuthi abomngani kathando. But guess what, they're already friends. They were in a salon and they were doing hair together, guys. As you see on a video, they are together and they seem very happy. But what I know about Uthando, one thing I know about Uthando, Naledi Aphiwe, she's young, guys. She's very young. Obvious, when we are young and you are at groove or whatever with your friend, there's, even if when you are old, your friend kuyenze ukuthi ask your secret, or no as your secret, things that you don't want other people to know, especially abantu abadala or your friends to know. You understand? You just become comfortable, maybe ukujayiva phambi kwakhe, or you're comfortable telling that person your personal stories, maybe about your relationship or whatever you're doing, that your friends you don't want your friends to know about them. Remember, uNaledi Aphiwe beside uMawelele ayikho into personal la uNaledi Aphiwe siyaziyo, guys. You just know igama lakhe sibonga sakhe sister wakhe. You'll never hear uNaledi Aphiwe even talk about the background. No, kulapho nalapha azoshuthi nami nje. I was part of that people abathi, you know what, this friendship won't work out. But I guess Naledi Aphiwe, she's a smart person, and judging from the comments, and there's a lot of people they are posting, I think she won't make isn't this wrong, because one thing about Uthando is what my peli friendship in, she'll come with receipts. Those are the likes of Abulebo. She'll come with receipts. So bazala bamzitho, I just wanted to know or hear from you ukuthi ninanifila kanjani. Do you think ukuthi it is a good idea ukuthi Naledi Aphiwe to be friend with Uthando? I mean, like Uthando background like it's not good, and I just hope and pray ukuthi le nto abayibhema nithi hutsho yini le ngathi habli. I hope and pray ukuthi Naledi Aphiwe ayibhemi and angeke azayibhema, because I don't think it's a good thing, and I don't think it's good for health yakhe. So I don't know, please comment down below your thoughts. Do you think ukuthi friendship will last, or do you think ukuthi it's a good idea ukuthi Naledi Aphiwe abe friend kaThando of all people abaku-industry Uthando, or ufana nami nje awuvumelani ne-friendship yakhona? But bazamzitho, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.